Hello. Alright, we said hello, YouTube. Great.
It's so fun.
Period 3. This is our first YouTube studying. Here we go. Please make sure you study. Watch this and study. Alright. So, what's the first thing you did? First person we have is... Where do I have it? Shark Tank. Coming all the way from the Pacific Ocean. Let's hear it. Alright, Shark Tank. Tell us, what did you do for number 1?
Since there's double signs, I wrote the read
Okay,
on
where's the double sign?
There's a plus, and then there's parentheses, and then there's negative.
Right, so that's the double sign right there. Okay, cool. And then what else do you do?
You write the read on because of the double signs.
Good. So the double signs are actually multiplying. So we multiply, we cover up the negative and positive and get.
And now you write the good guys, bad guys.
First, oops, I shouldn't have written a 5. You want to rewrite the problem, because then you're going to have single signs. -5, -4. Now that is addition, subtraction. So we're going to do good guys, bad guys. Okay, go ahead, Robert.
And now
I meant Shark Tank.
and
We used to use our real names all the time anyway. I just did it for fun. Okay, go ahead, Shark Tank.
put 5 and 4 in the negative column.
Right, bad guys score 5, bad guys score 4.
And that's and bad guys win.
Bad guys win.
And it's -9.
Why? Because the score was 9-0, right?
Yeah, and now then you put
-9. Do we agree with that, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent, class. Okay, Mr. Shark Tank, number 2.
There's double signs next to the 13 and the 9.
Very good.
And so you write the reader man,
Mm-hmm.
and then you cover up a plus and a negative. And now you're gonna rewrite the problem correctly how you use the reader man.
Single sign, 13 and -9. Very good. Now what?
And now you're gonna write good guys, bad guys.
Very good.
And you're gonna put the 13 in the positive column and the 9 in the negative.
Good.
And it is good guys win. And now you have to take 9 from 13, and that is 4. And now it's positive 4. Yeah, it's just positive 4.
Excellent. He did a good job, didn't he? All right, let's hear it. All right. The next person is Basil, coming all the way from California. Come on, Basil. What? I have to go get it. All right, Basil. What do we do on number 3?
Good. You start with good guys, bad guys.
Thank you.
And then you put 8 in the negative and 5 in the positive.
Mm-hmm.
And then you, since negatives 1, you add 8 and 5.
Careful, you don't add them. We want to find how many points do they win by, right?
Yeah.
So how many points were they ahead in the game?
13.
It was 8-5, right? So how many points were they ahead? What do we do, everybody?
Oh.
Well, what do we do? We subtract. Careful. Okay. So we subtract and we get 3. So bad guys win by 3. That's all right. So you're going to remember for the test, right? Okay. So let's look at number 4. What did you do for that one?
Good guys, bad guys again.
Okay, good guys, bad guys again. Okay.
And then you put 8 in the positive
Uh-huh.
and 9 in the negative.
Yes.
And then the negatives 1.
Negatives win. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing as last time, right? How many points were they ahead of the good guys?
1.
1. Good. So it's subtraction. You got it. Excellent. Okay, -1. All right, let's hear it for Basil. Okay, I'm going to go through these quickly. So, Bad guys score 4, bad guys score 2. That's a total of 6 points, right? We don't have much time, so I'm going to go quickly. This next one has a double sign, but also a couple of good guys, bad guys. So you have to be careful. The first double sign is here. Again, it's positive and negative. We don't have any double negatives in here, do we? To practice. 10, negative 5, negative 3. So good guys score 10, bad guys score 5, bad guys score 3. Am I right? Yeah. So that's 8 to 10. Good guys win by 2. Am I right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, wait.
Okay. This one, writing an integer, just means that you're going to write a number. That's all it means. So, loss. Do you think losing is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So it's negative 15. That's all they want you to do is write a number. Okay? When Superman left his lair, the temperature was -9. Now you can go on a number line, or you can just do good guys, bad guys. So we started at bad guys 9. All right. Increase. Is that positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive?
No, negative. Negative.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Increase. Increase. Increase.
Positive.
Is positive. He was right. I just wanted you all to think about it. Okay, so that means that the guys win by 1. So if you did a number line, you would end up at positive 1 also. Start at -9, go to the right 10. Alright, we're going quick, we're going quick. Am I going too quick?
No.
Okay.
I think they just.
Alright, so double signs. Actually, I'm sorry, not double signs. Multiplication. Positive 16. Now you have to have this done. This is your homework assignment for tonight, so make sure it's all written down, please. Do we have it all written down, everybody?
No.
Okay. Positive and negative makes a positive and negative. All right, let's do some fractions. Do we need a common denominator here? No, because we're not adding or subtracting. So, but guess what? If you look carefully, you have to, if I were you, I would reduce this one first. How do we reduce 2/10? How do we reduce this? Divide by what?
2, 10.
I heard it. Divide by what?
10. 2.
Divide by 2.
Oh, shut up.
Jocelyn was right. Thank you. Okay, 1/5. Okay. So now I completely ignore this 2/10 because there's no more 2/10. It's just 1/5 times 1/5. Negative though. Positive times a negative. Oh my goodness. I'm rushing. Got so little time. Okay. Well, next time we'll be more relaxed because you'll already have your code names. All right. Positive times a negative. So the answer is negative 1/25.
What?
Sorry that somebody was going to do that one, but we're running out of time. Okay, we just studied this yesterday. So 4/1. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? 4/1. Okay, times, what do we do with the second fraction? What do we do with the second fraction? We use the reciprocal. Alright, multiply. I get 2 negatives make a positive. And I get positive 16/3. You can reduce that to 5 1/3 if you want. Alright, now we gotta finish it though. We were so close. So we have to multiply this by what?
3.
By 3. Why? Because it has to be 21, right? 18, 21. Okay, please don't pack up when the bell rings. We're just going to finish it. Plus 4, 21. Don't forget this was negative. So it's now that we have the same denominator, we've got negative 18 and positive 4. You have to do your good guys, bad guys. What do we get? Bad guys 18, good guys score 4.
Negative 16.
So it's negative 14 21st, and we can reduce that. I'm not going to do that here though, because we're going to run out of time. Alright, number 19 is about the same thing. Write this down because you'll have it for your homework. So times 2 times 2, right? Makes 2 8s and negative 3 8s. So now we do a positive and negative. Alright, so we get negative 1 8. Alright. Almost done, almost done. Last one. Last one. Last one.
I just choose the random.
Last one. Oh, we don't have to do the bottom one. Alright, so 1/9 plus 8/9. If you pack up early, we have to wait for you to take your stuff out again. Come on, Robert. Alright, 1/9 plus 8/9 makes what?
9 9.
Right, it makes a whole. Right? Makes 9 9s, which is a whole. Okay, now we're going to add that together with these whole numbers. So you might have to study this on your YouTube. So 5 plus 1 is 6, plus an extra 1 is 7. So your answer is 7. Alright.